Welcome to Roulette Winning Strategy.
Check
We
the mic
create
and make
unique
sure it sound right,
roulette winning
boys.
strategy videos for you guys. Also, roulette is a highly risky game just for entertainment purposes. Don't take it seriously.
It sound right, boy.
Yep. Yeah, John, you can do it easily. I would even suggest you to do that. Or you can toss a coin for a host. 1,037 players are winning. 4.1 thousand for Ahmad, 1.5 thousand for Maida. Bets are closed, and greetings for the Lizard. Always hyped to see Lizard over here. Because Lizard has Huskies, guys. We have 212 and 21. 21 with 200. And number 2 with 100 times, even low one first dozen, 99 to 1 payout for 556 players, more than 5.2 thousand for Ahmad, Youths, more than 2.2 thousand, Jago, 1.6 thousand, took me 3 spins to get your lightning win, not bad at all. Or Elisa is asking Diamond Rihanna sing. I can sing Diamonds Are Forever. And Mayu is here and placing bets for you. Oh yeah, that betting time is over. Samson, yeah, you can easily place the bets on those every single number. 3, 8, 35, 3 with 100 times. Right about now we have 5. TS, old and definitely hot one. More than 1.3 thousand players are winning. 4.8 thousand for Ton. Youths almost 1.5 thousand. Sami 930. Let's go for more. Place the bets and who knows? Maybe I will get another lightning win. Betting time is over. Let's find out. Not even single lightning win for whole day? For real peace? I thought you got those lightning wins in previous session with me. Here we have 18 and 50 times. And right now we have 13 TS Oden from the second dozen. 1,010 players are winning. Don 3,000. Chichtan almost 680. Bone Man more than 1.1 thousand. Betting time it is. Special moment it is. At the same time, we always wish for the special moments, right? Time is over. Alright, LJ, I will try. $15, 17, 34, 17 and 34, 200 for each.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.
$18, even on 1 second dozen. Duck is asking, did you have time to eat, Ralph? Because you were really hungry just now. Almost 1.1 thousand players winning, almost 1.5 thousand for Who's, Hey Jew, 1.1 thousand, almost 790 for Get, last few seconds for you to place the bets. And Duck, I really hope you won't be offended. I got smashed potatoes and duck with cranberry sauce. Yeah, I was eating your brother or sister. 1 and 35, 500.
It sound right, boy.
And we have that 16. TS even low 1. Almost 1.1 thousand players winning, more than 3.8 thousand for the top winner. 960 plus for Leaf. Almost 790 for Ged. Last few seconds. Yeah, Duck, I was eating duck. That's why I said no offense, no offense. Betting time is over. It were delicious. Well. 10, 33 and 34. Black, everyone with 150s. 19. Odd high 1 second dozen. Oh yeah, it's fine. It was more than fine. More than 1.2 thousand players winning.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell notification to never miss an update.